Salam to all. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish lira as we always do. Last week it closed with gain as we expected, and this week its stochastic is still very high, but more importantly the short trend line, which is dark blue color, was broken, which means this shall be the signal that the required correction is starting. Below 1823 it shall break 1821, 46, 1809 to visit the buyers at 1779 support as to decide whether the correction is enough or not. The resistance is at 1827, 1829 tight range. Now euro against the dollar. Last week we expected the sellers to be at 1.0250 and last week's high was at 1.0198. Then it turned down as we expected. This week, if it is below 1.0052, it may break 0.99 to try 0.9865, 0.9816 on its way to 0.9668. Resistance is at 1.0062, 1.0079, and the question is, will the support hold it or it shall go down to the last Fibonacci retracement at 0.9450. As for gold, last week we were expecting another visit to 1,677 and last week's low was at 1,654. This week, if it is below 1,675, it shall break 1,664, then try 1,640, 1,634. Afterwards, it may want to visit the buyers at 1,611 to answer, is it enough or need to go down further? Resistance is at 1,690 level. Time for cryptos. Let's start with Bitcoin as we always do. Last week we were expecting it to turn from 22,430 to 23,700 and last week's high was at 22,794. Then it came down. This week, if it is below 20,600, 20,400 range, it shall break 19,500 to visit the buyers at 18,490, 18,450. Be careful. There might be a spike around this range, but will it prevent going back down to the last Fibonacci retracement at 15,000 level? At last, Ether. Last week we were expecting it to break 1,785 before turning down at 1,810, 1,870, and last week's high was at 1,782. Then it came down. This week, as long as it's below 1,542, it shall break 1,433, 1,422 to try closing the gap between 1,344, 1,257, but a spike at 1,308, 1,300 shall not be surprising. And will it change the decline pressure to the last Fibonacci retracement at 1,050 level? Thanks for watching. Please share your comments and let's watch the premiere on Sunday at midnight all together. Please also don't forget to subscribe, like, and set a reminder. Bye.